In multiplication using dynamic programming, we are using the following notations. Capital M represents individual matrix. Small m represents the number of multiplications or cost. Now Mij represents the cost for the multiplying the matrix Mi to Mj. Now if M1 is the order of D0 by D1, then M2 is the order of D1 by D2. Or in general, Mi is a matrix of order of Di minus 1 by Di. So similarly, Mj is a matrix of order Dj minus 1 multiplied by Dj. Now we have to multiply Mij, that means Mi to Mj. So finally you will get a matrix capital M of order small d I minus 1 by Dj. Now in your PDF format, the study material, we are given an example where P, Q, R, T are the four matrices, and you have to multiply P, Q, R, T with minimum number of multiplications. Here P is an order of matrix of order 5 by 4, Q matrix of order 4 by 6, R is a matrix of order 6 by 2, and T 2 by 7. Now here I am writing M1 is a P, M2 is equal to Q, M3 is equal to R, M4 is equal to T. So D0 is equal to your 5, D1 is equal to 4, D2 is equal to 6, D3 is equal to 2, and D4 is equal to 7. Now 4 matrix multiplications, you have to fill up this table and you have to calculate M1 4, M2 4, M3 4, M2 3, M1 3, M1 2. Now M11 is a matrix I is equal to 1, J is equal to 1, that means represents a single matrix capital M1. M22 similarly represents a single matrix capital M2, M33 represents a single matrix capital M3, M44 capital M4. So here for M11, M22, M33, M44 all represent a single matrix, so no multiplications is required, that means all are zeros. Now for calculating M12, M23, M34, just using the formula, M12 means multiply M1 with M2. Here K, value of K is equal to 1. For M23, value is equal to K is equal to 2. M34, this K is equal to now 3. Now for calculating M13, M24 and M14, you are using this formula. Now look at very carefully. Here K starting from I less than J. Note here K not less or equal to J. Now for calculating M13, now here I is equal to 1, J is equal to 3. So what are the possible values of K? There are only two possible values, for K is equal to 1 and K is equal to 2. So if you are using this formula, if you calculate, then you will get a minimum value of M13 is equal to 88, and that is for K is equal to 1. Similarly, for M24, there are two possible values of K. For K is equal to, one value K is equal to 2 and another is K is equal to 3. So if you are just putting the formula and calculate, you will get minimum value of M24 is equal to 104 for K is equal to 3. Similarly, for M14, that means you are multiplying from M1 to M4, there are three possible values of K. One is K is equal to 1, K is equal to 2 and K is equal to 3. So just putting here, you will get a value, minimum value of M14 is equal to 158, that is for K is equal to 3. Now fill up this table. So you will get a ultimate table like this. Here in circle I am putting the value of K. So for M14 you will get the minimum value for K is equal to 3. Similarly for M24 you will get the minimum value of M24 for K is equal to 3. So after eliminating the 0, finally you will get a S table like this. Okay. Now here this problem is for multiplying 4 matrix of P, Q, R, T, or just say M1, M2, M3, M4. So you have to calculate from M1 to M4. So go to the table M14. The K value is equal to 3. That means put a partition after the matrix M3. So the left hand side now becomes the matrix P, Q, R and right hand side now becomes T. Now here left hand side you have to now you can find out from M1 to M3. This is your table M13 here. So here the value of K. So put a partition after K is equal to 1. So now it becomes P and right hand side QR. So first multiply QR, then multiply with P, and finally multiply with T. Now in your assignment there are 4 matrices A1, A2, A3, A4 and corresponding the dimension of those matrices are given. Here D0 is equal to 15, D1 is equal to 5, D2 is equal to 10, D3 is equal to 20 and D4 is equal to 25. Now if you calculate and fill up that table just using the similar fashion, you will ultimately get a S table like this. Okay, here you have also have to multiply with 4 matrices A1, A2, A3, A4. Now first go to 1, 4. Here the value is 1. So make a partition after A1. So the left hand side now becomes A1 and right hand side now becomes A2, A3, A4. Now right hand side A2 to 4. 2 to 4, that means this one M24. So a partition after 3. A partition after 3. So now it becomes A2, A3 and this A4. So in order first calculate A2, A3, then multiply it with A4 and finally with A1. Similarly, if you go to this example, here 6 matrices are there and the corresponding dimensions are given. You will get a table like this. Here in green color I have written the corresponding K value for which the value will be minimum. So you will get the S table like this. So here 6 matrices A1 to A6. So go to M16. Here the value is 3. So make a partition after A3. So left hand side now becomes A1, A2, A3 and right hand side now becomes A4, A5, A6. Now 1, 3, the value is 1. So make a partition after A1. So now it becomes A1, A2, A3. And for right hand side A4, 6. This is M4, 6. So partition at 5 after 5. So now it becomes A4, A5. So first A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, then A1, A2, A3. This is A2, A3 multiplied with A1, and now A4, A5, A6, A4, A5, then multiply with A6. Okay, thank you.